Hi guys. Lately my girls have been obsessed with that mermaid sequin stuff that flips back and forth. So instead of buying out the store, we decided to make a bunch of stuff on our own. I'm Laura, and as a former makeup artist, I love sharing easy style and beauty tips that help moms feel their best. All right, so first things first, you are gonna need some mermaid sequins. I found this gigantic piece on Amazon for just $20, and seriously, it's gonna last you for months. The other supplies we'll be using are fabric scissors, paint pens, hot glue, and Velcro. All right, we're gonna start by flipping over our fabric onto the back side to make our shape. I decided to do a heart today. I printed this one out on my computer just to make it perfect, and I'm gonna trace it with some chalk. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it out. I will warn you, this does make a bit of a mess of sequins, so it might be a good idea to put some newspaper down. All right, so we've got our heart, super cute like it is, but I'm gonna add a little extra special touch for Olivia. I'm gonna use this paint pen and I'm gonna make a cute little drawing for her. I'm gonna do it on the blue side, so I'm gonna make sure all the sequins are going the same direction, and then we're gonna go ahead and make our face. And when you're drawing, make sure to use really small strokes and make sure to go in the same directions the sequins are in, that way it doesn't get on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna add these eyelashes, and I'm hoping they look as cute as they do in my head, but we'll see how they come out. All right, it's looking really good. So we're gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes to let that ink dry before you flip your sequins back. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put it on my shirt. All right, so we're gonna place it where you'd like it. And before you hot glue, I like to put a towel in between just so that the hot glue doesn't go all the way through. All right, so we're gonna go in with the glue, make sure and go just around the edge. That way the sequins will always flip. If you go in the middle, sometimes they get stuck. We're all done. Now let's have Olivia give it a try. This is a really cool way to make your shirt extra unique.
A smiley face. This is so cool. It's kind of like a mermaid color.
Next, we're gonna make some sparkly shoes. All right, for this one, I'm gonna use some different colored sequin fabric. I found this black and green kind, and I'm gonna put it on some of Sydney's old slip-on shoes. I found it's best to use tracing paper, which I'm gonna put all the way over my shoe, and then I just trace over the parts that I wanna cover with the sequins. If you think you can eye this, go for it, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist if you haven't noticed, so I like to use all these stencils. All right, so it's time to start gluing. We're gonna put that piece right over the shoe, and I just glue right onto the edge. And remember, it's not gonna be perfect, so you're just gonna wanna trim along the way. All right, that's it. This was such a fun and easy way to revamp an old pair of shoes. My girls are loving them so much, and even my friends are asking for a pair. Last up is this sensory bracelet. All right, this one is super easy. You're gonna cut a long strip about 3 inches high and about 2 inches longer than the width of your wrist. Then you're gonna trim the excess off. All right, it's time to attach the Velcro. So one piece goes on the inside, and then the other piece goes on the sequined edge. Oh my God, it's so cute. And let's test it out. So addicting. This is such a fun accessory that my girls are loving.
This is so pretty.
And even Boo Boo wanted in the action. We've seriously been putting these sequins on everything, from notebooks to wall hangings and even backpacks. All right, we had so much fun making these, and we can't wait to see what creative things you guys come up with. We'll see you next week.
Bye,
bye guys.
I hope you were creative. I love you. I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.